Hey guys, Deronda here with Foods 101. It's Super Bowl weekend and I've got you covered with these simple to make hot dog wraps. You're first going to start with an 8-ounce can of your crescent rolls. You may use mustard of your choice. I'm going to show you how to use that here in a little bit. You're going to need 8 cheddar cheese mozzarella sticks. I just go ahead and cut them in half, or if you want to use it from the block, you may do that too. We're going to need 4 hot dogs. I like using the hot dogs with no nitrates. Cut them in half. I have an egg here for an egg wash. With that crescent dough, roll it out. And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, the dough is perforated, where you can just tear it apart into your crescent rolls. Let's tear it apart, or you can use a knife and break it apart. You should be getting 8 crescent rolls out of your package. Once you got your crescent rolls separated, you're just going to add a little bit of mustard if you wish. And again, like I said, you can use your choice. Add half of your hot dog at the wide end of your crescent roll. Add your cheese stick there in the front of your hot dog. We're going to begin rolling. Starting at the large end, roll it up tightly. Continue until you get them all rolled up. Add your hot dog wraps here to a cookie sheet. I line mine with parchment paper, not necessary, but I love the way it makes the bottom look. For that egg wash, add to a bowl here with about a teaspoon of water. Give it a lovely little beating. Brush each top with our egg wash. This will give it a real professional deli look, but you've actually made them yourself. These disappear in no time, so if I were you, depending on your party, I'd make 2 per guest. I take a little poppy seeds. I like to sprinkle it over the top. If you have sunflower seeds or sesame seeds, you can do that too. But poppy seeds are my favorite, and they were handy for me to grab and use. Okay, you can add as much or as little as you wish. These are off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 9 to 12 minutes or until they're golden in color. Use your timer and no peeking. I love the color on these hot dog wraps, or if you want to call them Wiener Wraps or mini crescent dogs, you be my guest. You can call them whatever you wish. Let's cut into one. And they actually kind of look like little footballs. Really. Looky here on the inside. The hot dog, the cheese, absolutely delicious. Serve it with your favorite dip. Serve it with ketchup. Serve it with more mustard or whatever you desire. Your guests are not going to be disappointed with this Super Bowl appetizer or for any party you throw. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. I'll catch you lovely people later.